Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. An old friend of mine works for a big TV company, and for the last few months a lot of people in his firm have been facing the threat of redundancy. We were chatting the other day about how he's feeling about his prospects there, and he said it's not great at the moment because there are loads of behind the scenes meetings going on involving different people in management, and the people who basically work there aren't told anything. As he said, I wish it was all a bit more transparent. It's all very cloak and dagger. If you describe something as being cloak and dagger, you mean it involves a lot of mystery and a lot of secrecy, and maybe some kind of threat or some kind of danger. So, in political circles, there's obviously a great deal of cloak and dagger stuff that goes on behind closed doors. If you watch crime dramas or police dramas, there are often very cloak and dagger meetings where people secretly meet in underground car parks or out in the middle of nowhere at midnight. If you read anything about the work of spies or security operations, you'll realise a lot of what goes on there involves cloak and dagger tactics. And if you ever get the chance to talk to anybody who works in police intelligence, they'll probably tell you that actually it's a lot less cloak and dagger than you might imagine, and that really it involves a lot more red tape, a lot more bureaucracy than they often show in crime dramas. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use cloak and dagger.